Hi folks, this is Gary from Live Bait Vending. We have a machine we have to put a power supply in. Certain serial numbers of the early Evokes have to get a new power supply in. It's covered on warranty, but you have to put it in yourself. So I want to show you basically how to do it. It's pretty easy, but hopefully the video will make it easier. Here's the tools you need. Right here, pretty basic. This is a 1/4 inch socket. It's better to use the socket because you don't have enough room with the nut driver. You can use the nut driver on the left, but not on the right. Here's the new power supply. And what we'll do, I've already taken it down. This is your power box. There's 2 screws here, and you don't have to take them out because on this side, the holes, you just lift up and it'll come off. So you just loosen these, and then you have to peel back the gasket right here, and you have 1 screw here and 1 screw here. It can be a Phillips head, but it's 1/4 inch too, so I would use the 1/4 inch. And then here's the other 2 screws that we took out. So what I use also just get a X-Acto knife or something in here to pull that gasket out. It'll come right off. So just pull that back, and then you can lift up and pivot this down, and then right here is your power supply. So what you do is they give you this extra wire, but I would just use this wire. Just unplug the power supply right here, and then I'll get a screwdriver, and you have this clip that has to come off, and you can just kind of put that back on. You can just lay that up there, and these just have to bend these back a little bit, just enough to get the power supply out. So you just take out the old power supply. And I suggest taking a picture before you do anything so you see how it is, but then you can also look back on this video. And then you just have this plug right here. Pull this off, and actually pull this off right here. You probably have to use a screwdriver on this one. Yep. Okay. There's little clips under here that lets you get this out. You just got to push in those 2 clips. And that comes right out. There's your old power supply. So then here's your new power supply. Here's the other wire they give you. You really don't need that. So you just take this, put your power supply in here, and then take your plug, put your plug in right here. Make sure you plug it nice and tight. Then take this and plug it in this one. and then take this and push this down through the hole, which is easier putting in than taking out. And then make sure your red's on this side. Let's see, your black's on this side. Yep. And there's that. Just go ahead and actually what I would do is take this up this way and bring it down here. Plug that in nice and tight. Put this back on. Still has sticky stuff on it. And then just run this down tight. And that's it. All you have to do is turn it, flip it back up, and hang it on here. And then when it's hung on here, just put your 2 screws here. And the first thing is, before you do any of this, unplug the machine. I have it unplugged down there. And your power button is, let me get this. Your power button is right back here. So what I would do is before you do anything, just make sure to see if you have it right. Plug it in. And then just be careful touching anything. Just go here, hit your power button. Right here, it's up top here. And you have, when your lights come in, you know you have power and everything's working. Okay, I hope that's helpful.